Hi guys, Caleb with Cleanstart, your one source for everything clean. The Magic Eraser Roller Mop is a go-to tool in our inventory, especially when it comes to cleaning LVP surfaces. The same technology as the Magic Eraser pads, but with a handle to create great leverage while cleaning almost every surface out there. Just avoid waxed floors, it may remove the finish. From vinyl flooring in offices to ceramic tiles, its performance is unmatched. As a company committed to sustainability, the fact that this mop requires only water to activate the cleaning magic aligns perfectly with our eco-friendly policies. It eliminates the need for harsh chemicals, reducing our environmental footprint and ensuring safer environments for our clients and their patrons. Overall, the Magic Eraser Roller Mop has met our high standards and enhanced our service offerings. We 5-star recommend the Magic Eraser Roller Mop for fellow cleaning professionals and anyone wanting to maintain spotless spaces efficiently and sustainably.